The last piece of class VisualizerView is the overridden onDraw method that gets called anytime our custom view needs to be redrawn on the screen. Now, as you can see, onDraw receives the canvas that it uses for drawing purposes, and in the body of the method we calculate the vertical middle of the visualizer view, which is the height of that view divided by 2, and we also create a floating point value called current x or cur(x), which is initially set at 0. Now what we're going to do is walk our way one at a time through the amplitudes in the amplitudes array, and we'll assign each individual one to our variable power in this for each for loop. Then at line 70 we calculate a scaled height for the line based on the current amplitude. And we did this using the line scale constant, which as you recall is the value 75. And we also did this with a little bit of trial and error across a couple of different devices. Basically, without scaling the powers, what we were finding is that the lines were often going right off the screen, even when we weren't speaking or when we were speaking with a very soft voice. So what we did is we scaled down the amplitudes to the so-called scaled height to determine the actual height of each line in the visualizer view. The value of the cur(x) variable is incremented by the line width each time we're about to draw a new line. And at lines 74 and 75 we call the drawLine method to draw the vertical line. You'll notice that the x coordinate of both points is the same, which means we're going to get a vertical line, and we're going to draw half of the line above the middle of the screen or of the view rather, and half of the line below the middle of the view as well, so that the lines are centered vertically within our visualizer view.